Why does your sunburn make you feel tired? The answer lies deep in your body's surprising reaction to skin damage and inflammation. You'll want to know what's really zapping your energy after a day in the sun. When your skin gets sunburned, it's not just a surface problem. Your body treats sunburn like an injury and activates an inflammation response. This releases chemicals called cytokines, which signal your immune system to repair damaged skin. But these same chemicals also make you feel tired because they affect your brain and reduce your overall energy. The immune system jumps into action to heal sunburned skin. This intense activity demands a lot of energy, which your body takes from other areas, including your muscles and brain. That's why after you've been burned, you might feel unusually exhausted, even if you haven't done much physically. Along with inflammation, sunburn often comes with dehydration because sun and heat make you lose fluids faster. Dehydration reduces blood volume and slows down oxygen delivery to your tissues, including your brain. This lack of oxygen and fluids intensifies your tiredness and can leave you feeling drained for days. Sunburn pain isn't just annoying, it can also interfere with your sleep quality. When you can't rest well, your body can't recover properly, which prolongs fatigue. This creates a cycle of tiredness until your skin heals and the pain subsides. So next time you feel wiped out after getting sunburned, remember it's your body working hard to heal and protect you. That tiredness is a sign of a complex response involving immune activity, dehydration, and sleep disruption. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.